Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 1 of our Dollar General clearance event deals. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do need to let you all know that YouTube's a little bit mad at me right now for taking a break. So, notifications have not been showing up for everybody. And it gets even worse because for some people, my videos are not even showing up in their subscription feed. So double check, make sure you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, and make sure that you check back with my YouTube channel, because I will be uploading videos all week long, just like this one right here. And I have already uploaded several other videos for you all this week, going over the clearance event, details, items, things that you need to know. So if you think you've missed out on anything, make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I'm going to have everything linked and listed for you right there. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start off with our paper products first. Now we do have several new items added to the list here. So we've got some Dixie paper plates. We also have 2 different sparkle paper towels that you want to be on the lookout for. Those were actually included in our last clearance event, and I know that everybody thinks, okay, they're probably gone by now. I will never find them. But what I have found this week while I've been scoping out my stores is I'm noticing that a lot of things that I thought were long gone are being restocked. For example, just the other day, I went into my regular Dollar General store. I was going up and down all the aisles, kind of scoping the store out, looking for clearance items, and lo and behold, I found probably 10 or 15 Dawn Power Wash. Now, for those of you who haven't been around very long, you won't remember this, but I know some of you all will. We had a specific scent of Dawn Power Wash included in a clearance event. Don't quote me on this, but I believe it's at least been 3, 4, 5 clearance events ago when that Dawn Power Wash joined our clearance markdowns. So I don't know why, but for whatever reason, a lot of these items are now being restocked on the sales floor. So that is why I am including some of these older items, especially the ones that have coupon matchups and are name brand items that everybody loves. Here we've got some Tide Simply for $1.07. I also found some of those at my store. And during the last clearance event, where we had the clearance section and the POG clearance items included, I had several people email me. I'll try to pull up those pictures and post those on the community tab, and they found a bunch of the paper products, the Viva paper towels, Scott bath tissue. There was even one lady who found the Venda paper towels, and I believe that those were a part of a clearance event from last year or possibly even the year before. So I'll try to pull up those pictures and post those in the community tab for you all. Alright guys, now as you all can see, we are taking a look at the laundry product category right now. We do have some brand new items that just joined the clearance markdowns within the last couple of weeks. So I'm going to point those out to you all here in just a second. But a quick tip on finding these laundry products is to pay attention to the packaging. A lot of times these items will go on clearance because the brand is just coming out with new packaging, new sizes, new scents, something along those lines. So they put them on clearance so they can move those out of the store and bring in the new items. Now, here's a look at the brand new laundry products that just recently joined our clearance markdowns. We have a couple different Tide Simply laundry detergents. We also have the Tide Pods Light with a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so you're going to pay $1.47. Then we also have some Downy dryer sheets, some Downy scent beads, and some Downy liquid fabric softener. And lucky for us, we do have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so with that coupon, that's going to leave us paying about $1.50 for any of those products. Alright guys, now moving on into the next portion of this video, we're going to take a look at some kitchen items that just recently joined our clearance markdowns. We have several different types of utensils. We also have some skillets. We even have a cast iron skillet. We have a really cool glass cutting board. And then toward the end, you're going to see some storage items as well. Alright guys, now while we're taking a look at these items, I do also want to let you guys know that I will be uploading some YouTube shorts for you all this week. Those are just quick little, I believe it has to be a minute or less long videos. I'm not sure if notifications go out for those or not. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up on that, because I will be posting deals under the YouTube Shorts tab as well. So you may want to check over there. And the reason why I'm doing that this week is because there's just so many deals and so much information that I have to share with you all. And unfortunately, YouTube will only send out notifications for 3 videos within a 24-hour period. And I'm already having issues with getting notifications sent out. So I did upload 2 videos for you all yesterday. The second one didn't do so hot. So I'm going to try out YouTube Shorts a little bit this week. I already have about 3 or 4 ready to go for you all, so make sure that you stay tuned. The good news is that they're really quick, simple, and pretty easy to make. So I've already got about 4 of those ready. They will be coming out at least 1 a day. So make sure that you check over there as well. And I will do my best to link those for you all in the pinned comment, just in case YouTube doesn't want to put those out into the algorithm either. Now, let's get back into these visuals, and as you guys can see, we are wrapping up with some storage items. Now, I thought that this was really interesting because during the clearance event, we are also going to be having a home sales event. And this is basically going to be a sale on dinnerware and kitchen organization. It will include kitchen canisters, flatware, and dinnerware. This sale is going to be buy one, get one free, and you can mix and match. So I just wanted to remind everybody about this because it is very possible that some of these items will be included in this sale. So we could have some super, super cheap, low out-of-pocket deals. We could end up with a few glitches on our hands. You really just never know when it comes to Dollar General. I mean, especially after all the confusion that we've had over the past month with sales, dates, penny list, clearance events, seasonal, core clearance. You just never know with Dollar General. So it is going to be very, very important that you all stay tuned, turn on your notifications. Hopefully they will work for you. But if not, make sure that you're checking back with my YouTube channel every single day because you know your girl has you covered. I've already got my eye on a few things. So fingers crossed, and hopefully first thing Friday morning, we will all be waking up to some really amazing run glitch deals. But unfortunately, we're not going to find out until Friday morning. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have a ton of deals to share with you all between now and then. In fact, I already have 3 videos planned out for you all today. We've got this one, I have a YouTube short, and then I'm going to be uploading a 3rd one this evening. So before you all go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.